quantity that they had before, the cows are actually tied to their posts. The ones that they have here allows them to walk around freely. And they also have a facility over there where they have brushes, so they can go and they can brush themselves.
Normalerweise wird dann die Kuh, die flüssig ist, wird in diese Box genommen. Aber da haben wir schon eine. Bis heute Morgen ist mal frisch versammelt. Bis heute Morgen ist abgetrocknet. Sonst denken wir, dass wir das Kleine, das vorne in der Box ist, die Mutter heißt Claudia und sie ist Tanja.
It's allowed to take pictures. He added bacteria cultures to the milk, and about 50 minutes ago he added the third ingredient to make cheese. So first milk, bacteria cultures, and the third ingredient to thicken the milk, which is rennet. Rennet is an enzyme in the stomach of the calf, the baby cow, which needs this enzyme to digest the milk of the mother cow. And we need rennet to thicken the milk. Okay, and now you can see the impact of rennet. For 10 gallons of milk, you need about 0.2 fluid ounces of rennet. That's enough to thicken the milk. But within 30 minutes, the milk will be thick. Thick means consistency like a pudding. And now you see Marcus, he started already cut this thick milk, we call it curds. Cut it, the curds with the tool. We will show you the tool. The harp, hast du dich schon versorgt, Harfe?
Ja.
Ah. Haben wir sie noch mal schnell gesehen? We will show you the tool he used to cut the curds into stripes and later into cubes. Change the direction. Now what we have, we can see, he separated the liquid part of the milk, which is whey, you welcome drink, from the fat part, which are the cheese curds. And this is the tool he used to cut this thick milk. Call it the harp, idle tool. In general, as bigger the grains, as softer the cheese. As smaller the grains, as harder the cheese. And for this one, you need exactly this size of grain.
So, die Konsistenz ist, weißt du, was dann passiert in der nächsten.
Okay. Marcus will show you the consistency right now. It looks a little bit like cottage cheese, but it's still too liquid. See, this is like a pudding.
Und jetzt muss eigentlich in der nächsten halben Stunde passiert eine Entleerung von diesen Körnern.
Und dann haben wir Zeit, jetzt auf den Rundgang zu gehen. Okay. Then for the next about 30 minutes, he will stir, stir, and stir again. we have time to visit our production area. If you like to leave your jackets and bags here, it's getting heavy, right? Yes. Wow, nice catch.
Dann hätte ich nicht mit dem Abnahmen.
Machen wir das zweites Mal.
Nein, das nächste Mal, ja. Jetzt können wir das los. Okay, drück den Druck,
You unroll it.
Dann muss ich eben ja.
Is it okay for you to lift it?
Vor
You can help.
Mag ich schon.
Here.
Mag ich schon.
And then when you're ready, okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice catch. Very good.
Yeah.
Wenn es noch eins machen, das zweite Mal machen.
But Marcus, you need the second tool. Okay for you? Yeah. But now you don't need any instructions anymore. You are professional. And you can see still a lot of whey running out here. What else?
Plain.
Plain, yes. This one, 20% less of sugar, 50% less of sugar. Those with the fruit flavor, between 20 and 30% less of sugar. So it means there's natural sugar in the milk, there's additional sugar in the fruit jam, but we do not add more sugar. Most of the other producers, they add more sugar. So, for you?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, yes. For you?
Apricot. You said apricot?
Apricot, yeah, here.
So you're allowed to try more than one, but just make sure that you...
Oh, which one do you have,
For
Barry?
you?
Barry. Which one do you have?
I saw it.
Yeah.
Nobody uses it. That's right. Which one do you have, Maria?
What a year. It's eatable. You put it on top of the cheese, then one plastic lid and one way to press the cheese. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget to flip over all the pieces.
And the second one.
Second one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit warm, right?
That's a,
Quality label.
that's a big one, yeah?
Flip it over.
Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah, those are identical pieces. Done a good job on that.
Good job.
All professional cheesemakers today. That's wonderful. Quality label, then the plastic lid here.
Squeeze it around.
Oh no, what's the point?
That's good. Okay.
What is this?
Very good. Quality label over there.
The label, first the label. Here, no, that's here.
Here, the label.
Then you'll get one of the round desk. Yeah, here.
Put this on top first?
First, and then the plastic lid.
Okay.
I have one.
I know, mine made a mess too.
This, mine's labeled?
Just put that on there first. Put that first. First gate. No.
Oh, the label first.
Okay.
Already done.
Thank you.
Great. Unbelievable. Such an efficient team. You don't have to push it. It's just
That's the way.
Okay. Very good. Thank you very much.
You are a veterinarian?
Yes.
Very efficient cheesemakers team.
Where do we pick up our paychecks?